24 here on this Friday. You're almost out of work today. If you're at work right now watching TV, good for you. But it will be a calmer weekend. The strong winds will be decreasing as we go through later this evening. And it will be maybe a little breezy near the coast tomorrow, but I think most of the weekend is looking calmer. So strong winds today, red flag warning and a wind advisory continue. A lot of sunshine today, very few clouds, and then sunshine pretty much all weekend. I think we're looking at a very sunny weekend, maybe a few clouds by Monday, but a less windy weather this weekend coming back. It's going to be probably a little breeze still around, at least near the coast in the morning, I think, tomorrow. But overall, the weekend winds look much lighter. And as we mentioned earlier, red flag warning continues and that wind advisory until 6 p.m. today. Don't do any outdoor burning. You know, if you have to burn trash or you're out working with a welder or something, that's not the best day to do it. If there's any dry grass or any stuff nearby, if something catches fire, it's just going to blow and spread today with the low humidity. So don't do any burning today, but again, the winds look much calmer this weekend. Wind speeds right now, these are without the gusts, are close to 30 miles per hour at 29 in Weslaco and in Harlingen and a lot of places, 25 in McAllen, all from the northwest, kind of a dry wind flow coming into the valley. The gusts have been up around 40 miles per hour much of the late morning and around lunchtime. Here are the wind speeds forecast. If you just watch Future Track, you see the general trend. Still very windy this afternoon. This is probably underdoing it a bit, but the winds stay strong and start to decrease some this evening, down still around 20 miles per hour and then dropping late tonight. So by tomorrow morning when you wake up, probably still a light breeze around, but notice the coastal areas still have a good breeze going. That color indicates some good breezes and some slightly windy conditions remaining near the Gulf waters. So if you are going to be on the boat tomorrow, it's still kind of windy near the coast, but the winds gradually decreasing there throughout the day as well. So you see by tomorrow afternoon, the wind speeds keep dropping and it looks much calmer by tomorrow evening and night. So strongest winds today, still kind of breezy tonight, and then things much calmer the rest of the weekend. Temperatures at 69 in McAllen, 64 in Harlingen, 65 in Weslaco. Probably won't be getting much warmer today, maybe a degree or so or in some areas, but right around about 65 degrees. Sunshine everywhere on the map today. The clouds mostly way offshore, and Future Track shows sunny, windy conditions this afternoon all the way through early this evening at 5 p.m. Still just about as windy as it is now, and then the winds slowly decrease overnight. Clear skies around. You may still see some meteors. Last night, the meteor shower peaked. It's kind of still going tonight and then fades away gradually over the next several days into next week, but you may see some meteors if you're out late tonight. Tomorrow looks chilly. Could be in the 40s in the morning nearly everywhere, and then sunshine around back at least in the 60s to near 70 tomorrow, but much less wind on Saturday. And then Saturday night, if you're out, also a very chilly night. Temperatures could end up in the 30s by Sunday morning, but clear skies, nothing coming at us this weekend in terms of any storms or any rain. It's just all sunshine this weekend. So it will be very gorgeous. If you like sunshine, low humidity, light winds, Saturday afternoon and especially Sunday will be some very good weather. And we could start to see some clouds arrive at times on Monday, but probably still a somewhat sunny day out there. And temperatures, just to show you the trend too, here we are Friday afternoon in the 60s at 4 p.m. and then falling into the 50s by 9 p.m. Still kind of breezy. And then if you're out late tonight, you see it falls into the 40s tomorrow morning by sunrise, and then only in the upper 60s to near 70 tomorrow, with a lot of sunshine all day long though, and less and less wind as the day goes on, and still near 70 or so on Sunday. Now if you're looking for something to do, this is ongoing all the way through January 2nd. You can check out the holiday Sandcastle Village at South Padre Island every day through January 2nd. Light shows go from 6 to 11 p.m. on Fridays and Saturday nights. This is the forecast for Saturday. If you're out Saturday evening looking for something, still in the 60s and upper 50s. About the same weather, just very windy if you're out there. So you want to go out maybe Saturday and Sunday are the better days of the weekend if you don't like the wind. Today, 65 degrees, sunny skies, very windy. The gusts up around 45 miles per hour. And the first 1570 forecast stays windy this evening and kind of fades away overnight. Still Saturday will be a little breezy at the coast in the morning. If you're going to be out there early, winds probably still around 20 or 25 miles per hour before they fade away, but less wind inland and fading away more tomorrow. Sunshine all weekend, highs in the low 70s, lows could dip into the 30s Sunday morning. Monday and Tuesday may pick up a few clouds, but we still stay in the 70s with warmer nights in the 50s coming up next week. One small chance of maybe a few showers arrives by Wednesday, but it looks very minor, like 10 or 20%. We'll keep tracking in your first 1-5 forecast here coming up.